Yeah, you got it right. The orange one. Yeah. Hey, Dada.
Where's the finish line?
Oh, not sure how far, but it's on the other side.
On the other side, not this side.
No,
No,
this
no,
side.
we have to go there.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah, it's the other side. Well, they're all heading there, so.
No. They might U-turn there.
No, no. This dog. Okay, we all know who the last dog is. Cute. Dah, that dog there. Follow me. Look, he's wearing a funny. Sorry.
Come on, keep going.
Oh dear. Oh no, it's an old doggy. According to the owner, that dog's really old.